Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's session I will be discussing about Azure Architect experiences. I have been working with cloud engineers and cloud architects who are working especially in AWS and Azure, and right now I am working with Azure architects who are working day in and day out in our projects. So I'll be sharing the real-time scenarios, tips and tricks, and the experiences that I am gathering from different Azure architect. So this will be a series of video, and in these videos I'll be sharing my experiences, and these videos will be helpful for all the Azure administrator or Azure support engineers who wants to become the Azure architect in some day. So this will be very helpful for those people who are aiming for becoming Azure architect. So please watch these videos very carefully and follow the steps or follow the guidelines which I am sharing in these videos. So the first thing is Azure is a very powerful suite of cloud services through which company can achieve scalability, agility, and cost effectiveness. But adopting Azure is a daunting task because it has wide range of tools and services. So here in this video I will tell you some of the topics which are important for Azure Architect. So Azure Architect should know about Microsoft Sentinel, data solutions, cloud migration, containers, networking, security principles and governance, Azure pipelines for CI/CD. So let's dig into what are the main topics and what are the important topics for Azure Architect. Suppose if your company is adopting Azure, then this is the best place to start your journey. Microsoft Cloud Adoption Framework for Azure. It's a guidelines for the companies. It has the best practices, guidance, tools, templates which actually help the company to do many things. For example, that I can say that Microsoft Cloud Adoption Framework actually is used for assess the readiness for adoption to cloud, adoption to Azure. Then cloud adoption plan, we can build cloud adoption plan, we can do application migration, we can do data migration, we can do optimization of resources. So these are the things that can be achieved from cloud adoption framework. This framework is actually very flexible and can be customized. It will also work with AWS and Google Cloud. So these are the two links that I have been I'll actually share you these links. This link is for cloud adoption framework. You can see the different stages: strategy, plan, ready, migrate, innovate, secure, manage, govern. These are the different stages of cloud adoption framework. And this link talks about tools and templates. So you can see that under strategy, these are the resources: plan, ready. You can see the readiness checklist, Terraform modules, Terraform registry, under govern, governance, benchmark, assessment, then migration templates, data center migration discovery checklist, innovate, then manage, then organize, secure, You can see the deploy stick compliant Windows VM, stick compliant Linux VM. So these two are very important links for Microsoft Cloud Adoption Framework. Let's talk about some of the concepts of Azure AD. Actually, Azure AD is now Microsoft Entra ID, so the name has been changed. The first concept that I want to discuss is identity. So identity is like user or application, or that is something that can be authenticated. I can tell you one more thing, that there are two types of security principles in Azure, that is the user principle and service principle. User principle, you always you know that this is username and password which can be authenticated, and service principle is something that a secret key or certificate. The next concept is account. What is account? Account is like user with data or application with data. This is called account. Next is Azure AD account. Now it's actually Microsoft Entra ID account. This is an identity created through Azure AD or Microsoft 365. One more concept that I want to discuss is about Azure AD tenant or directory. Many times in the interview, interviewer can ask you that what is Azure AD tenant or a tenant. So tenant is automatically created when your company signs up for Microsoft Cloud Services. This is the first part of Azure Architect series. I hope you will like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video with your friends and colleagues. More on this Azure Architect series will be coming up shortly. Thank you.